Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what survival, camping, or EDC gear you'd get if you subscribe to BattleBox? Well, today's your lucky day. I've got this month's box right here, and we're about to crack it open together. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kansas Nerdman, and on this channel we dive into the coolest gear and gadgets. If you love unboxings and survival stuff that will not break your wallet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Okay, let's get into it. Here's this month's battle box. As always, the packaging is that distinctive white with the word BattleBox repeated over and over again. It's always a fun day when this arrives at my doorstep. Got a little confession here, guys. I already unboxed it. I recorded it on a new camera, and the quality of the video and audio was horrible. There was no way I was going to post that video. So, unfortunately, everything has been unboxed, but we're going to go through it anyway so you can see what it was in this month's battle box for April. All right, let's crack it open. Mission Brief 134. And the theme is Everyday Carry Survival, EDC. First item in the basic box is the Tactica M005 Micro Tool. 8 tools in one, keychain ready, TSA compliant, lifetime warranty. Keyring lanyard hole, bottle opener, pry bar and scraper, flat driver, and various wrench sets. Proves that useful gear doesn't need to be bulky, crafted from durable 420HC stainless steel, 8 everyday tools into a sleek pocket-sized design, 5 wrench sizes, a screwdriver, pry bar, scraper, bottle opener, and box cutter. Box cutter? You didn't say that on there. On the back. All in one. Weighs about 17 grams. All right, so a micro tool. Next is the GTF04 TAC Apex Plus. Escape is always at your wrist. So it's got a light, pretty bright light, a button, a handcuff key. It looks like a bobby pin, but they're calling it a Uber Gulag shim. Okay. And it's supposed to be a bracelet, but it looks more like something you would put around your neck, but maybe I'm wrong. That's what that is. It's for escaping. Okay. I don't think I'll be using that. Next item in the basic box is the DEFCON 5 EDC pouch. 5 EDC pouch keeps your core items in one place. 100% polyester. Lots of pockets. Not a bad pouch. Might be good for like a med kit or something like that for me, but otherwise it's not really an EDC pouch that I would use. I like those Viper aids. If you remember one my past video about EDC, that's why I keep all my stuff in is the Viper aid pouches. Next item would be from the advanced box, the Tactica K120 flipper knife. Smooth, sharp, and ready. And guys, this thing is super smooth. And yes, I have a ton of blades, and usually I'm like, I don't need another blade, but this one is very nice. Belt clip, lanyard hole. It's just it's a nice weight, good texturing. It's just a very smooth, very easy to shut pocket knife. Just a great knife. I like that. I am definitely keeping that. When I took it out of the box, I basically destroyed the box, so I kind of have to keep it at this point, but I really like it anyway. That's really nice. And then I did not do Pro Plus this week, which is good because as you can see, it's another knife. I don't need any more knives. So, what was in the Pro box? The Nest Packs Slim Pack, an EDC backpack. Lots of MOLLE across the front with some soft loop here. Pocket here. Oh, looks like okay, good. It wasn't totally busted. Nice pocket there. Got some elastic keepers here on the inside. Pocket there, a couple of pin pockets, a nice mesh pocket. And then the main one, looks like it could probably hold a tablet, possibly even a laptop. Not bad. Not bad at all. 1000D Cordura nylon, slim enough to move through crowded spaces and comfortable enough for daily use. Keeps your gear organized without unnecessary bulk. YKK hardware zippers, streamlined footprint while still carrying your daily essentials for commuting, travel, or when exploration or urban exploration. This pack keeps your everyday survival kit right where it should be. Not a bad bag. Not one for my style, but not a bad bag at all. So quick recap. This month's BattleBox brought us the Nest Packs EDC bag, the Tactica flipper, the Tactica micro tool, the survival escape bracelet, a little long for a bracelet, but okay, and the DEFCON 5 EDC pouch. What do you think? Worth it? Let me know your favorite item in the comments below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome gear unboxings. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.